Hello dear students, welcome back to my English language class. Well, I have got a lot of requests from your side that you want a few videos on grammar. So today I'm here with my video number 1 on transformation of sentences. And today I will be dealing with the rule as soon as to no sooner than. How a sentence from as soon as can be transformed into no sooner than. Before I begin, a reminder, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do it because I keep updating new videos over there which will help you in your further knowledge. Now, the very first rule of transformation of sentences is that whatever question is given to you and whatever answer you make out of it, the meaning should remain the same. The meaning of the question and the answer should remain the same. Remember that. So let us begin. Now, as soon as can be changed into no sooner than in the following 4 or 5 ways to be precise. Number 1 condition, present tense singular. When the verb is in present tense, how do we come to know from the word? Verb rings, S is given. So we come to know this is a present tense. The noun singular, only one bell is mentioned. Now I hope you know by now that when the noun is singular, the verb is always plural. When there is only one thing, we always put an S. When these are more than one, then no S is required. You should know that basic grammar by now. So let's see how it is to be changed. As soon as the bell rings, students run out, present tense. Now as changes into no sooner. This word depends on this bell. One word is there, singular noun is there. So singular noun in present tense takes does. Remember. No sooner does the bell rings ही आना चाहिए according to the rule because bell के साथ s लगता है लेकिन यहाँ नहीं लगेगा. Why? Because this s has been shifted over here in does. So remember, whenever we use the word does, we do not use s with the verb. Then it will be considered as double s. That will be wrong. Fine. No sooner does the bell ring. This comma changes into than. Remember, in no sooner, the middle word is than, T-H-A-N, always in grammar. Then the rest of the sentence does not change at all. It remains the same. Then students run out. Now you can interchange also. Supposing you are given the sentence, no sooner does the bell ring than students run out. How will you interchange? No changes into as, sooner into soon, does changes into as, and does will tell us that it is singular. As soon as the bell, does, s goes over there, rings, then changes into comma, students run out. It can be done vice versa. Right? Then condition number 2. Present tense, plural. When the noun is plural. So what will be the sentence? As soon as the bells ring, comma, students run out. Now bells, plural. Noun is plural. When the noun is plural, the verb is singular. We know it. So how it will be changed? No sooner. Now plural. Plural word for no sooner in present tense is do. Remember. No sooner do the bells ring. It will remain the same because bells, S is there, ring, singular verb. Comma changes into then. And as I told you, rest of the sentence never changes. It always remains the same in this rule. So then, students run out. You can interchange it. Supposingly you are given this sentence, how it will be done? As soon as, no sooner do the bells ring, as soon as the bells ring, then changes into comma and rest of the sentence seems answer aa gaya same. As soon as the bells ring, students run out, right? So this is when as soon as is changed into no sooner than in present tense. Now let's move ahead. I will change this one. See. Now condition number 3. Past tense. Singular or plural. In past tense, singular and plural both share the same word. Let us see how. As soon as the bell rang, students ran out. Now this is a sentence in past tense. As soon as the bell rang, students ran out. We can do it in 2 ways. Let us see how. As, no sooner. For past tense, the word is did or had. We can make with both the words, irrespective whether it is singular or plural. Had there been bell or bells, hardly any difference. The word will be either did or had. There is a choice you can make from both, either did or had. No sooner did the bell. Now you should know, according to the English rules of grammar, did always takes the first form of verb. So no sooner did the bell ring, because did takes the first form, then students ran out. ये तो change ही नहीं होता, it remains the same as given in the question. So what will be the rule? No sooner did the bell ring. Why ring? Because did takes the first form. Now when you have to interchange it, you will come to how will you interchange it? As soon as, did means past tense. As soon as the bell rang, and we know that did plus first form is equal to second form of verb. So as soon as the bell rang, comma, students ran out. We can also make this sentence with had. No sooner had the bell. Now again, what is the next grammar rule? Had always takes the third form. So no sooner had the bell rung, third form, than, no sooner का compulsory word is than in the center. No sooner had the bell rung than, rest of the sentence does not change, I have already told you. Students ran out. Right? So the past tense sentence can be changed either with did or with had, irrespective of the fact whether it is singular or plural. So most of the time students prefer to make with did. Remember, did takes the first form, had takes the third form. This you have to remember. Right? Now, as such, the rules are over, but sometimes there are exceptional sentences. I will be dealing one more example. Just check it, how it can be done. Supposing you get a sentence, as soon as the bell was rung, students ran out. Now see, whenever we make a sentence, as soon as the bell rings, direct main verb is given. Rang, rings. Now here a helping verb is given along with the sentence. As soon as the bell was rung. Helping verb is also given. Now how to change it? When a helping verb is given instead of only the main verb. No sooner. According to this past tense, we could have made with did or had. But here the helping verb is given. When the helping verb is given, we have to pick the helping verb. No sooner was the bell rung. So instead of writing did or had, we use the helping verb. No sooner was the bell rung, comma changes into than. And then there is no change as I have already told you. So it will be than students ran out. No sooner was the bell rung than students ran out. Right? So these are the ways how you can transform the sentences from as soon as to no sooner than. The same lesson also contains the words hardly and scarcely. In a way, we can say that as soon as, no sooner does, hardly and scarcely, therefore are cousins. They can be interchanged into each other. So the interchange from as soon as or no sooner than to hardly or scarcely, I have discussed in my video number 2, since I wanted to be thorough with one rule first rather than intermingling all the 4 together. So to continue with this, you should also watch my video number 2 on the same lesson. Do understand it and do practice it. I will just give you 1 or 2 sentences. Try to do it. As soon as he wrote the letter, he posted it. Try to change into no sooner. Then, as soon as he finishes his work, he starts playing. So I have given you 2 sentences. Try to change them into no sooner, and we will discuss the answers in our next video. Do subscribe to my channel if you have still not done. Bye-bye for now.